Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add free shipping to Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you first need to determine if that free shipping you want to be a discount or an actual rate on all of your products. So if you want it to be a discount with customers having coupons, then what you can do is you can head over in here to the discounts. And then under this discount, you can click on this create discount. And in here, you can see the free shipping option. So the second is free shipping, and from in here you can actually put in a discount code. So put some free shipping one, and then it will automatically account to all countries, meaning purchase. And in here you can see all of these things right here. So just make sure to edit that out however you want it to be, and from there click on see discount. So you can just head on over and just share this code right here to your customers in order to avail the free shipping. One thing you can do is you can actually just put in the free shipping on your actual rate. To do that, head over to your settings. In here, you should be able to see in here shipping and delivery. Under this shipping and delivery, you see that I have this custom shipping rates. So from in here, click on create new profile. And then from in here, you can name it. So for example, let's name it free shipping. Under here, you can add in products that you want. So for example, we can just put in some products that you want to add in here. So for example, let me just add all of this and click on done. And in here, let's scroll down. You can see here the shipping origin, shipping zones, and all of that right here. So when you try to save for that, as you can see, the profile has been created. Now on that profile, you can add in a rate. So on the profile you have, you can see here the save packages. So click on this add package. Let's name it free shipping. And then in here the box type, and then in here the length, width, height, weight, and you just need to make this your default store package. Under this right here, you should be able to add in free shipping because you should be able to add in some rates. So I have in here some rates depending on what you want. So you have here the general shipping rates. And as you can see, we can see that I have here products added to the profile. So on that specific profile, I have here the rate name. As you can see, it is free. So just need to add in rate and make sure that it's free. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.